Okay, Devil's Club already.
This is a beautiful creek that goes through here.
Oh, but here's some old bones. Whew. I don't have a metal detector. I left it on my desk.
I guess we just go right across, try to find the other end.
Yep.
I presume it's going in this direction.
It can't be very far. It's only 60 feet across. It's like right back there, just before the heavy trees, there was a tree like this size cut on this side and on that side, skinned, and this side had a cut. For what reason? You're not even under the power lines.
Yeah, but it's just like on the other side.
Yeah, but it's fresh.
Oh.
Like this season.
I don't, like, this is me. I don't think anybody's been in here but us.
Oh, probably not. But oh, you can see right here, eh?
No nails.
Probably nail holes.
I put the moss back.
Yeah, I forgot my metal detector. I took it out. Ouch. Go. That'd be it. That's our trail.
And then I got to that tree there, this pine, and it's been barked all the way around. I mean, it could have been a bear, but it does make sense to bark it all the way around.
Yeah, that's our trail.
So you can see it from both sides, right?
When I got, holy crap. When I got to the corner, there was a very evident trail heading down, game trail. But it hugged the edge of the rock face. Like, holy crap.
This is a cliff edge here.
Holy crumb. And my pack's lighter than normal. I took my tire chains out. Hear that? Which one's that?
Right there where that log crossed.
Yeah. Where the hell are we? I think the trail probably went down, went through because there's a section of shit, and then on the map it looks like old growth again. Then it probably cuts back up. One down there too.
Gee, that's a big cedar.
Yep, even the one that's cut is big. There's some big trees in here. Wow. Wowie wow.
What?
That cedar is scratched all the way to there. Hopefully that's not a bear just reaching up. Oh. Look at this. This thing's been here so long it caught fire underneath it. This is burnt underneath.
Seriously, the trail, like from what we've crossed, if this is a road that we definitely access from the other side of the river. Yeah, we ain't going up that.
We went down to the river and it almost looked like a big flat, but it would have been where high water would have cleared it out. So beautiful. No sign of trail really.
The trail's right there and it's over there.
Hey. Here you go.
For sure. Climb in there.
Hard to tell.
Nothing really. It is a track trap.
Yeah. Some small tracks, whatever they are though.
Now we're gonna leave our track. Oh my god, we've gone a long way.
Yep.
Look at that rock.
Those fucking cedars though that are tipped over.
We should shimmy up one.
I don't have my spikes, or I'd try. Yeah, we're definitely on the right path with this being cut out.
Yeah.
What?
I'm tired.
We haven't turned around yet. Like this has to be a cabin here. Look at this river right here, easy access. Like literally camping right on that nub.
Found the cabin. Mine.
I'm just thinking like maybe they built the cabin, but it was just up on the next level up because of the river. Fuck, that old cart bridge is a long ways. We've gone 6K.
Huh? This is the cart bridge?
No,
No,
since the
total.
truck.
Yeah, we better start heading back.
Roughly 3 hours, 15 minutes we've been hiking. Hey bud, you ready? You ready to go? What's this big stick on your belly? Another... You dressed you up, but I can't take you out, little bud. You're covered in goobies. Covered in goobies. Okay, go.
Like you think somewhere along there you see, you know.
A garbage pile.
Yeah, or little tailing pile from them making an attic, looking for following a vein. Not the
Yep.
mind blowing.
And Manny, this is how a lot of it was back where I used to pick similar like this. You can, my dad can follow it and he's blind. Not yet. Wow. I think I walked it down here on the way in.
Did, yeah. You just stay here until it runs out.
I'd go up maybe. Or down, I don't know.
I don't know, it was just as shitty. Take a look around this tree.
Definitely this is a... And this is good because we're climbing elevation, but slowly. Oops. 9 kilometers.
Total?
So far. 10 more to go. Good?
No.
Let's go for a hike, he said. It's gonna be easy. I think that was my favorite hike.